guys, welcome back to another video, Sydney's Vlogs. This is my, I think, 4th YouTube video, and I'm going to be teaching you about my pet cockatiel bird. She's a bird, and it's a type of bird called a cockatiel. So I'm going to teach you a lot about them. So if you are wanting to get a pet and you want to get a bird, I recommend you getting a cockatiel. A cockatiel is one of the birds that you want to get for like a beginner's bird to know how to take care of them. So usually when you go to the pet store, they come in like a pair with like 2 or more in a cage. And if you want to get one, you can, but it's more better if you get 2 because they can have friends with each other. I'm videotaping. Anyways, you're going to want to have them food that they like to eat. So in this case, my cockatiel likes this type of food. It has like berries and fruit and a whole bunch of different types of stuff in it. But do not eat bird food. It is not good for you at all. You should also get them a mirror, or like a nice swing with rough sand, and maybe a bell. They love bells. And you should get them a cuddle bone, a mineral block, water bowl, some perches, and they should have some toys. And this is a nice size cage for them. Also, you need to clean their cage out every week. Yeah, every week. And you need to give them a bath every week and give them food every week. Because if you don't, then you won't have a healthy one. So this is how we give ours a bath when you first get it. We have this spray here. Let me get this on. We have this spray, bath stuff, bird's bath spray with molt erase for all birds. And there's a cockatiel up there. See? Let me see. Does it say the bird names? So yeah, but this is a cockatiel right there, the big one. This is for like small birds, so yeah. And if you were to get a cockatoo, they are the huge parrot-like birds, so you would want to get one of those. Also, they need attention, so you need to bird-proof your house, like hide wires that are sticking out, but ours is trained. So just hide some wires that are sticking out like this, and cover outlets, like cover these type of outlets that have that. And make sure you have your stoves off when you're not cooking, and make sure your sink is not running, and make sure your refrigerator is not open, because these are very tropical bird. A very tropical bird. So yeah. Also, they need lighting and warmth during the winter, because lighting, well, they usually need lighting all year round that you have them, so they can see. And they also need warmth during really cold days in winter and fall. That is really cold weather. And yeah. So this is a white-faced cockatiel. A white-faced cockatiel is like white and yellow. The normal cockatiel is kind of gray, yellowish. They always have those orange dots on their cheeks. Those are actually their ears. Believe it or not, they are their ears. So they can hear very well. Their wing diameter is about here to about here. So they have really nice wing diameter. And most of the time they like to hang out up on the curtains. So you might want to have some curtains in your house for them to hang out on all day. Also, you might want to play some peaceful music on your TV or your radio. And at nighttime, they feel really safe if you cover their cage. If you don't cover their cage, then they're going to squawk all night and be scared. And you don't want that, do you? So, also, you may want to have screens on your windows and open your windows like about this much so they can listen to the birds. Also, if you have a female cockatiel, you should name them like Pearl, Jules, Harmony, maybe Lucy. Cute names. And if it's a boy, just name it like a tough name, like Roger or Rogue or something like that. They're really nice names. So, yes. And you want to always say good girl or good boy to them. Because that's basically what you do. Ready? Like, watch. When they get scared, they put, like, it's like a top thing called, like a mohawk. They lift that up super duper high, way up to the top of their head. And that's what makes them, so you know they're scared. I'll be done in a minute. You can put on what you want. Sorry, just talking to my mom. Also, they love attention, so you can rock them when you're sitting in a rocking chair while they're on your shoulder. The male ones sometimes bite when you first get them when they're new. So you might want to have a partner with them so they feel more comfortable, and they will not be as nervous and not bite as much. But females, they bite, but they aren't as bad. And, yeah. So I just wanted to tell you about that. Also, you should have an extra one with, like, treats in it. So, yeah. And mine's name is Pearl. P-E-R-L. So, yeah, guys. Also, just have a monetary debt that you need to call for, like, just in case of an emergency. So, like, have, like, this is a vet, and, what else? No. So that. Also, if you want your bird to stay safe, also make sure that you don't have doors open that don't have screens, because they can fly out of your house and not, yeah. And, anything else I can tell you something? I don't know. Make sure they, like, if you have a girl one and you let them out, make sure you check them for ticks, because they will fly. You can get harnesses for the birds, and you can walk them. They like to walk on the ground sometimes. We do not do that with our bird, but you can. You definitely can. So I definitely recommend it if you want to. So, yeah. And otherwise, just make sure to stay healthy, and don't feed them just birdseed. Feed them fruits, but do not feed them avocados or guacamole. That will make them really sick, and they can die from their digestive system. They cannot digest that. Also, don't give them pizza. That's not good for them. But you can give them, like, pizza crust. And just make sure you know what you're doing. So, yeah. And don't forget to have maybe also another bird in with a bird like that. If you don't, then that will be that won't be as fun. Because 2 birds is cool. I don't have 2 birds. Mom, stop, I'm doing a video. I don't have 2 birds, I have 1, but that's okay. So, yeah, I just recommend to have 2 birds. And don't forget, they always love you. If they bite you, they still love you. Don't be worried about that. They're the most cutest. You can teach them to talk, and you can teach them to sing, and you can take them in with you anywhere you really go. Just not really out that much in town. If you take them to the vet, you bring them in their cage, and just leave them in the back with a blanket covering them. And yes, and this is my dog Natty. Just say hi. Want to say hi? Want to say hi? Such a good girl. Watch this. She's playing. So yeah. Oh, also, subscribe to my cousin Jaden, Gaming with Jaden's channel. Make sure you comment on my videos, like my videos, subscribe to me. And this is not sponsored by any pet store or anything, but any pet store or anything, please sponsor me. My videos, I am hoping to get the diamond play button. I'm not getting money for this. I don't have ads out in yet, but I will soon. So, yeah. So, this is the outro. Bye! Boop.